Welcome back to the channel. My name is Eddie and this is a 10 Factory. Today we're going to be wrapping this 911 Porsche GTS. Actually no, it's Porsche 911 Ford GTS. I don't know if I got that wrong, forgive me. I don't even know why I was in the trunk. I didn't think we were going to fit and I did. So we tried it out and it worked. Anyways, we're going to be wrapping this car in a Tiffany blue. This is a brand new car. Owner just picked it up about 2 days ago. Brought it straight here. Got interrupted by a truck, but that's fine. We're gonna go ahead and start disassembling some of this today. We're also gonna be doing calipers and door jams. Unfortunately, guys, much as I hate doing door jams, he wanted to do door jams, so hey, if he pays the price, we're willing to do it. So let's get to it, start disassembling some of the car. That's it. Let's go. Welcome back to the channel. Today is Saturday. It is about 8:30 in the morning. We're early. We're not early. We're actually late because of our buddy over here. Good buddy, old pal. He's currently tinting this 2022 RAV4. I was gonna leave him alone to do it, but these corner windows are a little bit of a pain in the. So I'm gonna help him knock these out, and I'm gonna go back to the Porsche.
Oh, you on rolls? Oh.
I'm a professional masker.
Not really.
I used to paint houses. I did. I had a job painting houses back in the day. It's hard work.
You see that?
I did it for a whole 2 days, right? When we went todo. I really did. It was terrible. I'll never go work again. I can't do paint, man. My respect to painters, construction workers. I'll see y'all. Thanks for building America, but it's not for me. I can't do construction. I peeled off the wrong side, so now we're trying to save this one. But will it save? Go to factory. Go to factory. Bruh, look. I just showed him a perfect demonstration how to do it.
Nah, Victor.
Wasting company material.
Why you gotta come over here?
I'm just showing him how it works.
Oh, well, it's not working. Yeah, I just, going as it is.
This little quarter window is a fighter.
Oh.
Come on, baby. Get in. Oh, I got it. Yes. Perfect. Perfect. I don't care how good of a tinner you are. You know damn right when you get these little quarter windows, you're still like, ah. I do it too. But flawless. Next. Let's go get coffee.
Bro, you do 2 little windows in what? You act like you did a lot. No.
Alright guys, update. I did the whole 2 windows. Clock out time.
That update was about an hour.
No, that literally took me like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. But we gotta go get some coffee because it's early and no coffee and no good. Let's go. Oh shit, we just passed the red light. Ah! That's the red light holding the steering wheel, intercom, and phone on the same hand. Wet.
And a cop right there.
And there's a cop right there. Get off the street, sir. Hello. Is this ours?
What name are you looking for?
Here it is.
Oh, hell yeah.
Thank you.
Y'all have a good one.
You too, thank you. Let's get the fuck out of here and go to work. It's been such a lazy morning today. It's 12:30. Haven't even finished the full car.
This shit's crazy.
He already messed it up twice. ¿Ya la cagaste? Chalked it, huh? Hey, dude, look at you. We're good. Eddie saved the day. Let's go on a vacation, Bimbo. Me and you. What do you say?
That breeze seems good though.
It feels good.
You know that shit? That shit feels good.
Yeah, muchacho.
Fuck! Nah, that creased it for sure.
I'm not helping you anymore, bro. I'm wasting my
Nah,
time.
this ain't it, bro.
I'm wasting my time helping you. Why are you even reheating it if you already messed it up over there?
I'm trying to feel good that I just fucked up on one thing, you know?
Let me update you what's going on today. Third one today. This windshield right here. This guy fucked up.
This is the third windshield?
Third windshield.
Hey, what the
Don't be scared, shoot.
Hi, today we're gonna give you guys an update of what's going on. Nah, just kidding. But we are gonna give you guys an update. So far, we are almost done with the car. We just need to do the fenders and another thing. Check this out. This was my mistake. I put everything back and I didn't tighten the mirror. So, door panel has to come back off so we could tighten this mirror. And fenders and this out of here. Almost. And Bimbo's over there not doing anything. Now, before, can you get those fenders ready? Huh?
What? I can't hear you, bro.
No, I said, can you get the fenders ready?
Too loud. What you said?
The music's off.
Nah, it's kind of loud.
Oh, let me turn
What
it
you
off.
said?
Hold on. Can you get the fenders ready so we can wrap them?
Oh, shit. Oh, bro, I have my AirPod. Have it? This one ready to go for tomorrow.
For tomorrow? We think we
Shit! Bro, I'm out of time.
gotta go with the kids.
Yeah.
How many kids you got today?
I mean, it's Monday, so like 3. Another 2.
Where's the other two? You had 5 last month on our last video. What's up with the other 2?
Nah, I only gave them Tuesday to Thursday. Yeah.
5 kids, 4 baby mamas. I don't know how he does it. Heard 42 Doug? He even hit it. We just have to assemble it. We're pretty much done. Tying up the bumper, fix the mirror that I still don't fix. Showed you guys yesterday, and that's it. Almost out of here. What do you think, Luis? Looks good? The Tiffany blue. Or yesterday, it was so hot. Like, it was so hot to the point where we didn't even work.
That's why
Yeah, we did not work.
Fuck that. I ain't going if he tells me.
Nope. Yeah, yesterday was way too hot to work, so that's why this car took a little extra day to get it out of here. But I did come out actually at night. I came out at night and knocked out the 2 fenders and called it a day.
I said it's missing a cap.
Oh, I was trying to say I was capping, but let's show them what Bimbo's over here doing. So currently, Bimbo's over here tinting. Look at this. He's tinting this beautiful, brand new 2003 Toyota Tacoma.
Damn, mirror is brand new.
It is a really good condition, I'm not gonna lie, but it's just a little S10, quick window tint job, in and out. It's out of here. Hurry up, Bimbo, so we can finish up this Porsche. This is busy right now holding the camera.
Hold the camera.
I need that job.
He said that camera is worth like What you make in a day?
That's worth what you make in a day. No, I'm kidding, I'm kidding. Let me not joke about that because then he's gonna ask me for a raise.
Go ahead, ask me.
I already did.
How'd that go? I'm not a bad boss. I'm not. Right? Trying to hurry up because we have the client waiting here. All right, so I'm almost out of here. That's it. It's nothing special. What do we do on this? 15 front two, 5% back half. That's it. Bimbo did an amazing job, like always, with a smile.
What's your name, bro?
Eddie.
Eddie?
Eddie. Yes, sir.
Louis.
All right, Louis. That's it. I got your payment. You're all set. Cool?
Okay, brother.
Yes, sir. Take care. We'll see you in the next one. Another satisfied client.
I know it hurts me.
You can hear it?
Yeah.
All right. What do you guys think? A little Sonoma, a little daily driver. Nothing special. Quick in and out. Back to the Porsche. All right, guys. For Bimbo's birthday, we're gonna be doing a special, so he could be busy, so he could take all the baby mamas out for dinner.
All the baby mamas put little.
Let's go record this Porsche. Well, you've seen pictures.
Yeah.
Pictures are nothing like the actual car. Here you go, brother.
Holy fucking shit, dude. No fucking way.
Yeah.
Dude, this thing is so fucking sick.
It looks way
Hell yeah, dude.
It's good.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Damn, that's so cool, dude. Even down here, you can barely even see it. It's
Yeah, we did it all the way. 100 more jams open. Remember, one we hit the jams, we hit the jams too.
Oh, nice, my dude. Fuck yeah. Yeah, this looks so clean, dude.
Way better, huh?
Okay.
I love the Tiffany.
Yeah, this is one of my favorite colors ever since like the diamond supply days.
Oh yeah. I remember that.
Always like,
Yeah.
it's so sexy, dude. Killed it.
Yeah, we were a little bit worried about the Porsche we lined up. 2020 Porsche 911 Carrera 4 GTS is all done. Trust me, I had to memorize that. I was going back and forth with the name, but we got it right now. We did it in a beautiful blue Tiffany. I gotta admit, I was a bit skeptical about the color at first because, I don't know, it looked like a soft color, but now that it's done, I gotta admit, it looks amazing. I think this is a perfect color for this car, and that's it. We're all done with this one. We actually did door jams. Come over here. We actually did the door jams on this one, as you guys saw in the videos. We usually don't do it, but the money's right. We'll go ahead and do it for you. Still a little bit dirty. We didn't clean up the car. We just gave it a quick wipe down just so we could come out, do this shoot for you guys, and that's about it. As you guys could see, or as you guys heard on the intro, we told you guys we were going to do the calipers in Tiffany blue as well. However, the client ended up opting out from doing the calipers, and I'm glad he didn't, because he was gonna do them Tiffany blue, and I always feel like maybe that was gonna be too much blue. The red and the blue is just a perfect offset. So what do you guys think about this Porsche 911? Would you guys wrap your car in this beautiful Tiffany blue? Let us know down below. Comment, like, subscribe, do all that good YouTube stuff. That's it. See you on the next one. We usually go to our infamous front of the Coliseum, but I think there's an A's game today, so we didn't get to film. We had to just go right up the street. Honestly, I don't like driving clients' cars. It gets me really paranoid, especially something like this. So from where we're located to here, it's no more than quarter mile maybe. It's not far, so that's why I take him here. But there was an A's game, so we had to go to another place. But that's it. Wrapped up. We're all done with this one.